Jeremy.
Hey, Devin.
Do you ever get homesick?
Shut the fuck up, Devin.
Jeez, Mr. Grumpy.
I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to shut the fuck up.
Okay, wait. After that. Okay, I'm good. Hey, Jeremy.
What?
Can we have breakfast?
No, I'm trying to sleep.
Jeremy.
What?
Jeremy.
What?
I believe I can fly.
No.
I believe
No.
I can touch the sky. All I want is
Oh my
to
God.
wings.
Go to bed.
I spread my wings and fly away.
Shut up. Holy shit.
I spread my wings and
Oh my
fly
God.
away. Jeremy likes to ride on his tricycle. He loves this. He loves to ride on his tricycle. Look at him in his tricycle. Isn't it cute?
What?
Jeremy likes to ride on his tricycle. Oh my God, Jeremy, you're going so fast. Look how fast he's going. Oh my God, I wish I could ride that fast. What is this? I want to ride on the tricycle. Oh my God, I'm so gay. Woo, Jeremy's flying. I spread my wings and fly away.
I feel bad for whoever watches this video.
I know.
Hey, this is the first wheel drive tricycle.
Front wheel drive, man. He's
What?
tearing shit up in that thing. I bet you wish you had a tricycle. I wish I had a tricycle.
Bet you wish you had one of these motherfuckers.
Dude, I think everybody wishes they had one of those motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done with that.
I wonder if I can fit out of here.
That song's gonna be stuck in my head now. Oh my God.
Oh my God, I fit under it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I'm so upset right now. I'm gonna cry.
Stop being a bitch and drinking on cups.
Okay, I'm good.
Where the fuck did that chair come? Not my chair.
Whose
not
chair
my
is
car.
that? Who put that goddamn chair there? That's not my chair.
Who paid for that floor?
Not my chair, not my problem. That's what I say. No way. Stupid dresses. Stupid flowers. Lighthouses rule. If you don't like the lighthouse, you suck. I love seahorses, and I love seashell things. Like blankets, and towels, and little bags. Seahorses. Forever. Okay, bye now.